After we receive this evenly EV58 gear pump variable pressure coffee maker, let's take stock of the accessories. This is the main unit. This is the coaster. This is the power adapter and the power cord. This is the 5/8 basket. This is the auxiliary handle. 2 stands. A tool kit. High temperature resistant food grade silicone hose. 1 base. Installation started. Firstly, find the tool kit. There are 4 screws in here, 2 of which are spares. First of all, we're going to install the bracket. We'll find the hole in the back of the base. There's a hole in the bracket, and these 2 holes are for positioning. We use this direction to insert it into the holes. Then we shake it. Check to see if it has been located. There's another way to insert it without aligning the holes. You can shake the bracket from side to side to find the right position and insert it. It still can be positioned accurately. Insert the bracket to the bottom. Let's find the screws. There are 2 sides to the screws. The side with the hexagonal groove is facing out. Used for tightening and fixing hex wrenches. Let's take the side not have the hexagonal notch. First, we screw the 2 screws by hand. Then we tighten the screws with a hexagonal wrench to lock the bracket. Once we've tightened the screws, we need to check that the 2 brackets are flush. If it's even, we'll flip the whole bracket over. Next, install for non-slip pads. After we put it on the 4 corners, we're gonna flip it over and set it up. We found to locate the holes next to the main engine's boiling head. Align the 2 brackets to the 2 positioning holes. After aligning them, insert the main unit into it, and straight to the bottom. Next, attach the auxiliary handle to the main unit and directly align to the main body of the screw holes. Screw and tighten it. Finally, we insert the silicone hose into the water inlet on the body. Note that you need to force it into place and prevent air leakage affecting normal use. The installation is complete.